blob can go out to collect mangoes and wood. Each tree produces 1 mango per day, and it grows back the next day if it gets chopped down. The blob's decision for how to spend its time has 2 inputs. First, what are its options for what to produce with the time it has in the day? And second, out of those options, what makes it the happiest? We'll start by looking at the production side. To figure out what these options are, let's see how many mangoes the blob can get if that's all it looks for the entire day. Alright, 17 mangoes total. Now let's try collecting only wood. It does take a moment to chop down a tree, so the blob probably won't get quite as many pieces of wood. Alright, looks about right, it got 14 total. Those are the 2 extreme cases, but what about cases when the blob tries to find some balance between the 2? We're dealing with 2 quantities, so it'll be useful to keep track of outcomes using a graph. The 2 cases we've looked at so far led to 17 mangoes and 0 wood, and 0 mangoes and 14 wood. Next, let's have the blob grab only 1 mango, and then spend the rest of its day on wood just to see how much it can get. Okay, it looks like we still get 14 pieces of wood, even if we sneak a mango in right away. And to finish putting this together, let's fast forward a bit and have the blob run through days, getting 2 mangoes, then 3 mangoes, then 4, and so on. Okay, assuming the only thing the blob can change is how much time it spends on each resource, these points represent all of the possible options. You might hear this called the production possibilities frontier. It's the frontier or the edge of what's possible. Or if we draw a curve through the points, the production possibilities curve. The curve really only makes sense when the